Beet juice has advantages for extremely healthy blood, according to Superfood Evolution. What advantages does beet juice have? The red beetroot is a familiar food to many people. But did you know that this ordinary vegetable from the fruit section of the grocery store has some quite significant nutritional elements you might not be aware of? The beetroot is a superfood vegetable that is excellent for decreasing blood pressure, enhancing cardiovascular health, boosting athletic performance, and reducing bodily inflammation. Beets can be consumed fresh, and they also provide some nourishment when cooked. However, the beetroot juice that has been freshly pressed and extracted the liquid is what has the most health-improving properties. Vegetables are 10 times more nutrient-rich when they are juice because their nutritive elements are intensely concentrated. Because beets are particularly abundant in antioxidants, naturally occurring nitrates, betaine, and iron, this brilliant red juice has a lot of these good nutrients. Beetroot has been utilized as a remedy for various ailments since the Middle Ages, particularly those that affect the blood and stomach. Beet juice lowering blood pressure is one of the benefits of beets in the blood. The juice of a beet is the only meal that closely resembles the color of blood. It turns out that beets are particularly beneficial diet for a generally healthy bloodstream. A study published in the American Health Association journal Hypertension suggests that consuming a cup of beet juice every day may help decrease blood pressure. Over the course of a day, those who consume this quantity every day had an average 10-point drop in their blood pressure. A cup of beet juice each day keeps the doctor away became a new catchphrase in health headlines as a result of this. In the US, there are more than 77 million adults who have high blood pressure, which is closely related to cardiovascular disease and strokes. Before we move on to the next fact, if you have enjoyed our video this far, subscribe now and hit the notification bell to get updates about health and wellness. Beetroot has high nitrate level. For many Americans, the advantages of beet juice and its nitrate level may make it a simple dietary supplement. When some people hear the word nitrate, they immediately conjure up sodium nitrate, a recognized carcinogen frequently included in lunch meat, hot dogs, and bacon. However, beetroot also contains a significant amount of nitrates. Nitrate levels in beets are high by nature. These molecules, however, differ significantly from artificial nitrates. They are substances derived from plants that when consumed produce positive impacts rather than negative ones. In fact, one of the acknowledged advantages of beetroot juice consumption that significantly contributes to lowering and maintaining blood pressure levels is the phytonitrate content. Nitric acid is produced by your body from nitrate. It helps to dilate blood vessels and restore normal blood flow. Along with beet juice, there are additional dietary foods high in nitrates to take into account. You should juice both the root and the leaves of the beet because they are both rich in dietary nitrates. In fact, adding beets to your green juicing vegetables is a fantastic way to temper the red beets' perhaps overpowering sweet root flavor, since the juice contains from concentrated phytonutrients that can help to lower hypertension and conditions related to it. Drinking the juice is preferable to eating the beet for therapeutic purposes and maximal benefits. To this, we advise drinking beetroot juice in addition to following a healthy diet and exercise routine. Nitrates in beetroot juice boost athletic performance. Beet juice frequently has an energetic effect on the body, which could be useful for getting you inspired to go to the gym or perform a little aerobic workout. Beet juice nitrates content improves athletic performance. Beet juice nitrate concentration has been found to be particularly beneficial for athletes, enabling the body to recover from exercise more quickly by improving blood flow and oxygen to the muscles, heart, and brain. This aids in increasing stamina, cardiovascular endurance, and the ability to recover more quickly. Studies on the relationship between beet juice consumption and athletic performance abound. A different study that was conducted revealed a favorable response to the use of various doses of beetroot juice during an exercise regimen. These results have significant implications for the use of beetroot to improve cardiovascular health and exercise capacity in young adults, it was found. Betaine. One advantage of beet juice is betaine, also known as trimethylglycine, is a micronutrient that beets are particularly high in. Betaines are beneficial for the removal of pollutants and the lowering of homocysteine, an amino acid associated to better heart health. The University of Maryland has found evidence that betaine can aid in lowering elevated homocysteine levels. Homocysteine levels that are too high can harm red blood cells, leading to heart disease, strokes, and blood clots. Beets may help beat colon cancer. Methylation is a crucial component of numerous crucial metabolic procedures, such as the metabolism of lipids and DNA. According to scientists, DNA that has been sufficiently methylated can stop the expression of genes that are dangerous, such as cancer genes. Supplementation may be helpful because it's believed that as we age, our body's capacity to methylate reduces, speeding up the aging process. The National Cancer Institute claims that methyl donors are associated with a lower risk of developing breast, colon, and pancreatic cancer. A diet high in these micronutrients, according to research from the American Journal of Epidemiology and the American Journal of Nutrition, may help you avoid cancer as well as many other health issues. In order to combat stomach cancer, one of the well-known advantages of beet juice is that it contains the pigment beta-cyanine, a kind of betaine which contributes to the rich red color of beets. Actually, these antioxidants serve as the main tool in the fight against cancer, demonstrated to be specifically effective for preventing colon cancer, similar to how beet juice raises the number of CD8 cells in the colon naturally. It will recognize that these cells may both prevent and eliminate malignant growths. Purifies blood, detoxifies liver. It is advised to juice beets as a part of annual or biannual juice fast or cleanse to aid in detoxification and the regeneration of healthy blood cells. Toxins are a part of our daily environment that we are all exposed to. The advantages of beet juice can significantly aid in the process of detoxifying from dangerous toxins, heavy metals, and chemicals in our food, water, and air that we breathe. The liver is an organ that boosts glutathione levels while lowering cholesterol. Let us know in the comments down below if you do like drinking beet juice. If you want more educational facts and tips, subscribe to the channel.